Earth and Water, High and Low by Anne Rossi. Areas in the United States. People sometimes talk about different areas in the United States. They divide the United States into these regions: Northeast, Southeast, Midwest, Southwest, and West. The natural features in each region make it special. For example, plains are a landform in the Midwest. A desert is a landform in the Southwest. Many kinds of rivers and landforms are found in more than one region. For example, rivers are found in all regions. Almost every region has a mountain range. You'll read about some of the landforms in the United States. Mountains. Mountains are usually steep and have sharp or rounded peaks. Forces within earth from mountains. Erosion caused by wind and rain shape them. The Rocky Mountains are in the west. They are the largest mountain system in North America. The highest peaks in the Rocky Mountains are in Colorado. Many peaks are more than 14,000 feet, 4,267 meters high. The Cascade Range is another mountain range in the west. Most of the peaks in the Cascade Range are volcanoes. Mount St. Helens is a volcano in the Cascade Range. For more than 120 years, Mount St. Helens was quiet. Then, in 1980, it erupted. In October 2004, Mount St. Helens erupted again. Inside a volcano: ash cloud, lava, feeder pipe, magma chamber. A volcano may erupt when magma, or melted rock, gathers underground in a magma chamber. Pressure from within Earth forces the magma up. The volcano then erupts lava and clouds of steam, ash, and gases. Lava is a term for magma that erupts onto Earth's surface. The Appalachian Mountains are the oldest mountain system in North America. They are part of a large mountain system. The Appalachians are in the eastern part of the United States. Several mountain ranges in the northeast and the southeast make up the Appalachian Mountains. The tallest peak of the Appalachians is Mount Mitchell. It is 6,684 feet high, 2,037 meters. Plains and prairies. A plain is a large area of fairly flat land. Plains are found in many regions of the United States. The Atlantic coastal plain lies along the eastern coast. The Gulf coastal plain curves along the Gulf of Mexico. Both the Gulf coastal plain and the Atlantic coastal plain have many kinds of wetlands. Swamps and marshes are wetlands. Rivers flow from inland areas through the coastal plains to the ocean. A prairie is a fairly flat plain covered mainly by tall grasses. Prairies stretch across the Midwest from Canada to Texas. Different types of grasses grow in the rich prairie soil. Rivers and lakes. The Mississippi River is the largest river in North America. It is an important waterway. The Mississippi River begins in Minnesota and flows south to the Gulf of Mexico. The Rio Grande and the Colorado River both begin in the west, in Colorado. They are also important to the southwest. The Rio Grande forms the border between Texas and Mexico. The Colorado River forms the border between Arizona and California. Both rivers are used to bring water to the dry southwest. The Colorado River is also an important source of water for Southern California. The Great Lakes. The lakes are also important waterways. The Great Lakes are a chain of 5 lakes in the northern United States. Sheets of moving ice called glaciers created these lakes long ago. The Great Lakes are part of a major waterway that connects the Midwest with other areas. The Finger Lakes are much smaller than the Great Lakes. The Finger Lakes are not linked. Long ago, the Finger Lakes were rivers. They are located in the Northwest. Deserts and other places. In the United States, deserts are found in the West and Southwest. The Mojave Desert is part of a larger desert area called the North American Desert. The dry Mojave gets only a few inches of rain each year. Deserts, volcanoes, rivers, lakes, mountains, plains, islands, and wetlands. All these landforms or waterways are in the different regions of the United States. From the mountains to the coastal plains, they are what shape the United States. Glossary: desert, an area that gets very little rain. Erosion: the wearing away of rock by water and wind. Glacier: huge sheets of ice that cover land. Landform: a natural feature of the Earth's surface. Mountain: a very high landform, often with steep sides. Plain: an area of flat land that often is covered with grass or trees. Prairie: an area where grasses grow well, but trees are rare. Region: an area in which places share similar characteristics. Volcano: a mountain with an opening through which gas and lava are forced. Waterway: a system of rivers, lakes, and canals through which ships travel. Wetland: land that is covered with water and mud and thyme.